Step 1 is where we drill dime-size holes into the sidewall. Next, we insert our injection ports. Once our injection ports are installed, we now attach our gun. We inject a Part A and a Part B polyurethane. These two products, when injected underneath the sidewalk, will have a reaction time of 15 seconds. There are times when the two slabs will pinch against one another. Should this occur, saw cutting will be necessary. Now, through several injections, the lifting will begin. During these 15 seconds is when we get our lift. It is vitally important to not over-inject the area and thus create another trip.